Hello students, today we are going to learn regarding the budget estimation for repairs. So in this particular budget estimation for repairs, we are going to see what is mean by a budget estimation. Then we will discuss what is the necessity and importance of the budget estimation. Then we will discuss different recommendations for budget estimation. So all these points we are studying related to the repairs. So then we will see the steps involved in budget estimation. So first we will start with a budget estimation. So all of you know that whenever we are constructing a new building, so we are preparing a budget estimation. We are doing estimating and costing of that particular building for different components. Similarly, we have to do the budget estimation for a repair works also. So whenever you are doing a detailed inspection, at that time you can sort out the different points of that particular detailed inspection, and accordingly you can prepare the budget estimation for repairing of a building. So the building maintenance is considered as a major activity in the construction industry because of it is essential whether the buildings are small or large, simple or complex, located in urban areas or suburb. They must be well maintained to ensure their functionality and services during their life cycle. So the budgeting and cost estimating are vital tools for project planning in the construction and plays a very important role. So the quality of maintenance activities is significantly influenced by the amount of budget allocated. So if budget allocated is good, then you can go for good quality of repairs. Otherwise it is very difficult for going for good quality of repairs. So now we will see the different points regarding necessity and importance of the budget estimation. So this budget estimation is very important to prevent the unnecessary cost and to allocate the correct amount of budget to each corresponding need. Then the core responsibility of engineer is to serve. The core responsibility of an engineer is the successful execution of the project within the estimated budget, time and quality standards. The goal of budget management is to control project cost within the approved budget and deliver the expected project goals. The another advantage of budgeting your money is helping you to avoid spending unnecessary fees, services and products that are cutting into your financial goals. The budget is very important to you for controlling the expenditure. Whatever the expenditure we are doing on the repair work, to control that expenditure, budget is important. Then to establish the priorities, so which are the priorities, which work should be done first and which work should be done afterwards. Depending upon the budgeting, we can establish our priorities. Then provide direction for selection of material as per their cost. So depending upon the material cost, you can decide the direction which material is going to use. Depending upon its cost and how much work is there, you can decide the particular material based on budget. Then creation of budget will make owner or client to control the cost benefit ratio of the project. Then assumptions review, if budget is less, you can curtail some work and you can do accordingly. Then performance evaluation, so performance evaluation can be done by using the particular budget estimation. Is also important for funding, planning and cash allocation. So it is also important to avoid bottleneck situations. So these are the important, necessary and importance of the budget estimations. Now we will discuss regarding the recommendations for budget estimation. So while doing a detailed inspection, special remarks are to be mentioned in case of special situations where the repair work will hamper the budget as compared to the area or volume of repair. For example, if repairing is done at the heights, then cost of scaffolding is needs to be considered while preparing the budget. That means, suppose you are repairing a 10-story building and the repairing has been done, external repairing has been done at 7th or 8th floor, so you need a scaffolding, so you have to consider the additional point regarding the this particular repair work. So you have to do the recommendation for scaffolding. Sometimes procurement of special materials will also require additional cost depending on the site location. So location of site, special materials are required, so that procurement is also recommended in this particular budget estimation. So the cost of machinery is also needs to be recommended depending upon the type of work. So depending upon the type of work, the machinery will be changing. Suppose there is a grouting, so you need grouting injection machine is there, pressure machine should be required. So depending upon your work, so whether you are going to purchase that machine or you are going to hire that machine, that point is also recommended in this particular budget estimations. Then the duration of the curing has also to be considered depending upon the type of material. If different materials are used, it is having different duration for curing. Some required 2-3 days, some required 8 days, depending upon the provision shall be done for in this particular budget estimation. So all such costs are called as hidden costs. So whatever the hidden costs are there, all are considered or recommended in the budget estimation, which cannot be seen directly but can affect the budget. Such cost may be recommended at the time of budget preparation to avoid the future problems at the time of repairing. So now we will discuss regarding the steps involved in budget estimation. So mainly the budget estimation of repairs revolve around the following factors. So first factor is the budget estimation of repair materials. So what are the repair materials, what is the quantity of repair material, what are the different types of materials are there, what is its cost. Based on that, the recommendation or budget estimation is depend. Then budget estimation is also depends upon the task force. How many workers are required, how many laborers are required, how many professionals are required, depending upon the its works of repair. Then budget estimation is also depends upon the equipments used, number of equipments, what are the types of equipments, purpose of equipment, whether you are going to hire that equipment or you are going to purchase. So these are the three main points on which this budget estimation is important. Now we will discuss the different steps. The following points should be considered while preparation of budget estimation of repairs. So we are going to discuss different points. So the first point is a dismantling or removal of structures or part of the structure. So whenever there is a dismantling, that point we have to consider in budget estimation. Then a preparation of drawings which are not available, for example structural drawing, plumbing, electrical drawings are not available, you have to prepare that drawings. For that purpose also you have to make the provision in budget estimation. Then preparation of distress map, propping plan, load transfer plan if needed. So these points are related to detailed inspection. So if distress map has to prepare or different plans has to prepare, you have to make the provision in the particular budget. Then quantity of props and scaffolding required, their type or duration, whether you are going to purchase or hire. So these points also should be included. Then accessibility plan and cost of additional materials required to reach the area of repair. This is also important. Then number and type of test to be carried out. for determination of strength of various elements. So depending upon the severity of your repair work, different tests are carried out that we have already discussed, and depending upon that, its cost is also included in the budget estimation. Then type and approximate quantity of repair materials, this also included in budget. Then type, duration and cost of equipment required for repairs. Then cost of consumable materials required, for example drilling machines, welding machines, these costs are also included, whether you are hiring or you are going to purchase depending upon the quantity of work. Then type, method, equipments, material, manpower required for strengthening of structural elements of the building are also considered while preparation of budget estimation. Then type and approximate quantity of bond coat if any required, that also considered. Then stacking and carting of debris and testing of repaired structures. So whenever you are repairing a structure, after repairing you have to do the again testing whether particular strength has been gained or not, that you have to check it. For that also you have to make the provision that you should include this particular point, that is testing of repaired structures. So all these are the points. So we have discussed different points regarding the budget estimation for repair works. So now we can summarize all these points. So to minimize the expenses for the maintenance and repair of the building, budget estimation is a very important factor. Then due to budget estimation, financial considerations can be possible for special cases, as repair work is different than the new construction. Budget estimation for repairs can be done based on the required material, task force and special equipments. So thank you students, hope you are safe. Please stay at home. Thank you.